Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today is a video that I'm really excited about. I'm actually going to be unboxing the mini mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is the first time I have ever ordered any of his mystery boxes. I have also got the deluxe box, so I will also be unboxing that on my channel in a separate video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But I've been really proud of myself because I've managed to avoid any spoilers whatsoever for either of these mystery boxes. So all I know about the mini is that there are 4 items inside. Yeah, I'm excited to see what we've got in here. So a little quick bit of background. Obviously I'm here in the UK, so I did order these from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. They actually took less than 2 weeks to arrive, which I think is really quick, but I'm really excited to see what's in here. As I said, I have managed to avoid every single spoiler. So first of all, how lovely is this colour? So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Oh, okay, so inside we've got this really nice green tissue paper. Okay, so reaching in, and this is the first item. Oh, okay, so this is one of the automatic eyeliners, and I don't have this. I don't actually have loads of Jeffree Star makeup. I mainly have palettes and a few of the liquid lipstick bolts, but I don't have any of the eyeliners. So this came out in the Blood Money collection, and this is shade Armoured Truck. But I mean, first of all, how cute is this packaging? You've got the really nice metallic logo on the top, and then obviously just the writing across the front of it. Okay, so this is, I'm guessing, this kind of shade here, and this is kind of like a bit of a shimmery brown. This is a really lovely shade, and I think probably one of the most wearable shades out of all of the eyeliners that he's done. So far I am really pleased, really excited to give the eyeliner a go. Now next up, I've actually picked up these two together. So these are 2 of the single shades. So we have got shade Wealthy. I really like the packaging for these actually. The attention to detail is everything. Even inside the box you've got all of the logos. So here is the shade, nicely tucked away in this plastic, and I'm not sure what palette this is from, so I'll look it up afterwards, or if you recall what palette this is from, then just let me know in the comments below. Okay, and there is the shade. So really lovely neutral looking matte shade, so that will definitely come in handy for probably most looks, to be honest. I obviously like that it's in metal, so if you have your own magnetic palette, then you can obviously just slot this right on in. I don't, so I'm going to have to be really careful to keep these really nice in the packaging. And then this swatch here is shade Wealthy, which is a really nice kind of cool toned grey matte shade. So I think this would actually be a really nice base shade or a really nice highlight shade. And the second single shadow we've got is shade Suck. I really should remember where these shades are from, but I'm not 100% sure. So again, let me know in the comments below, or I suppose I could just Google it after this. So again, this really lovely, kind of like an orange toned red shade. That's really beautiful. I think that would be a really nice shade, especially for the summer with those orange tones in. This is a swatch of shade Suck, so it's a beautiful kind of orangey red toned pressed pigment. This just looks like a really gorgeous shade. But yeah, definitely really pleased with both of the single shades in the mystery box. And it did say that there would be 4 items in this box, and considering I can still see 2 items left, obviously they've counted the single shadows as 1 item, which I think actually is really great, because they could have easily just counted each shade kind of as its own entity. So I'll have a look and see what item number 3 is. Okay, I'm really happy about this. So this is one of the glosses, and I don't actually have any Jeffree Star glosses, so I'm really excited to try this out. So this is in the shade Mouthful, which, to be honest with you, I have no idea what this is going to look like. I mean, wow, look how just beautiful and just iconic that packaging is. I just think it's just everything, like the quality of everything, the attention to detail is just amazing. This looks like a really, really pretty pinky gloss. I don't know whether you can kind of see here, probably not too well, but it's got almost like purpley, bluey, iridescent flecks in it. This is really, really gorgeous. And yeah, so I don't have any glosses whatsoever from Jeffree Star. Oh, actually I have like 2 mini ones when he did his collaboration with Morphe, but I've never had any of the ones in the, I suppose, really standout amazing packaging. I don't tend to wear a lot of gloss. I normally just go for a lipstick or a liquid lipstick, but that's not to say I don't have my times when I like wearing a gloss. So definitely looking forward to just pairing this with some really nice looks. And so on to the final item in the Jeffree Star mini mystery box. And this time we have got my favourite things, Velour liquid lipstick. And I'm not sure what shade this is. I am actually wearing one of his shades now. This is actually shade Leo, but let's have a look and see what this one is. And there, of course, is the packaging that we all know and love. You've got the metallic logos, you've got the metallic name across the tube, and I don't actually know what shade this is. I know he said that there was going to be an exclusive lipstick in the mini mystery box, so obviously this is it. This looks lovely. Oh, okay. So this is like a really nice pinky tone, like a dark pink. Almost reminds me a little bit actually of Calabasas, which is one of my favourite shades that he's done. So this definitely is a shade that is right up my street and a really wearable shade in general, but also a shade that I would definitely get a lot of use out of. So I don't know whether it's just me being really blind, but I don't think this actually has a name. Feel free, obviously, to correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, wow, so that obviously is everything in the mini Jeffree Star summer mystery box. I have to say, for the first mystery box I've ever ordered from him, because I've always been a bit skeptical about like the customs fees and how long it's going to take to arrive, whether it's going to be damaged, you know, all of those things when you're ordering from another country. But for $25, I am really, really impressed. I think it's a really good variety of items. I love that there's some eye products and some lip products. I didn't know what to expect. I've avoided everybody's videos who's already unboxed this, and because I wanted it to be a total surprise for myself as well. And I'm just really, really astounded and really, really pleased. If anything, it's made me even more excited to open the deluxe box, which obviously will be coming very soon. Definitely everything in here will get used and is, I think, actually really me. There's nothing here that I'm kind of, oh, it's all right, but if only it had been this shade, or if only it had been this. The thing I'm probably most excited about trying is the eyeliner, because I've never tried any of his eyeliners, and I know it is quite, you know, one of the newer products in his range of makeup. And the little single shades as well I think are really cute, and I'm just really, really happy with everything. So I don't know if there are different variations to these mini boxes, because as I said, I have avoided watching any other unboxings. But if you've received a mini box and you've got something slightly different, then I'd love to know. So do definitely leave a comment and yeah, just let me know. And if you've also tried out any of these products yourself already, then do let me know. But thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Jeffree Star mini mystery box. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. and I'll see you again in my next video.